Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to know if you're being tracked by AirPods. Yes, it is possible to track you by an AirPod. If someone places an AirPod in your back pocket or your backpack or your handbag, then they will be able to track you with the AirPods. So let me show you the process of how you will be able to know if someone is tracking you by AirPods. First, you'll have to go to settings and then let's go to notifications. After going to notifications, we are going to find something like tracker notifications. Alright, so here's the tracker notifications. So we're going to go inside the option and make sure to allow the notifications. And the banner style will be set as temporary. Make sure to set the banner style as persistent, so you will be getting persistent notifications that an AirPod is tracking you. Alright, after that we are going to go back, and then if an AirPod is detected around you and it's tracking you, then you'll get a message something like this. After you click on the notification, you'll be redirected to Find My app, and you'll get an interface like this where you will be able to play sound. And then if you press on play sound, then sound will be played from that AirPod and you will be able to detect where the AirPod is placed and you will be able to find it. So guys, that is how you will be able to know that an AirPod is tracking you, and you'll be able to find the AirPod very easily. If you found this video helpful guys, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.